strawberry kiss.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Anya here, and today I'm going to be doing my CANDI GRL roller skate unboxing / review. So, handy dandy kitchen scissors. They just like unlatch to be knives. They're good for opening things. It comes in a brown box. I got mine off of Amazon because I had an $80 Amazon gift card and it was the only place that I could find my size. So, opening it up. And then inside, it is the CANDI GRL box. And it's shiny. This is the one that I got. I got a size 6 because I'm like a women's 6.5, 7. And CANDI GRL fits a little bit small for skate size, but a little bit big for an accurate women's size. So I got a 6, and they also break in pretty well from what I've heard. So it should fit fine. I got this color because it was the only one available, but I like it still. It's a lid. And when you take off the fancy schmancy lid, inside are your roller skates. They're so cute, Nora. And each one has a protective little bag. So, pop that off. And it's got these really nice gummy outdoor wheels. They're a little bit bigger than classic roller skate wheels, but that's fun. I got the raspberry color and it has the blue accents. Wheels, 1 roller skates, and 2 roller skates. Hey, this is Little Boone. And then also what comes inside is a little instruction manual about, I think this is probably for changing. Oh yeah, it's just explaining all the stuff. Yeah, here's the bottom of the box. Looks like that. And yeah. Do a little close up. It's got matching toe stop and wheels. And it has the pink accents on it. And this part is pink with the CANDI GRL logo. And it has a folded cuff collar. The tongue also has a protector on it. Pop that off. And then the wheels are laced up inside here, and paper in it as well. There's more. So yeah, I know with roller skates and ice skates too, this rolled cuff collar or ankle pad part, the rolled cuff at the back is helps a lot with comfort, and yeah, they look like that on the inside. This one needs to be loosened. So I have been looking into getting skates for a little bit now, and I decided to go with the CANDI GRL brand because it is reasonably affordable for skates, and they are pretty good quality considering the price range. These ones were, I believe, around $100, $110, and I got them for $40 because I had my $80 gift card. And yeah, they came fairly quickly. When you're beginning to skate, I know it's really hard to find skates in your size because it's really trending right now and everyone's buying skates. but luckily I found some on Amazon. They have the other colors too, and they're usually restocking after a while, but because of COVID and everything, stuff is very delayed. So luckily these came really fast. Very excited. They have the metal truck part, and yeah. They have the bolt-in toe stop, which means that you can just take it out and you can change out your toe stop really easily by taking out this bolt and just putting another one in. I have here my CANDI GRL skates. I've had them for about a month now, and I just wanted to give you guys some info on how I like them. So you guys probably remember better than me because you'll have footage of it, but unboxing it for me was a little bit ago. I remember when I unboxed them, I was super excited, and they seemed better than I expected actually for the price. And I got them in, I honestly don't know what the name of the color is. It's kind of like a fuchsia with turquoise, baby blue accents. So yeah, I haven't had that much time to actually skate them because I've been super busy with Depop and filming for YouTube and doing my own art stuff. What I really liked about these skates is that the wheels are pretty big and have these, I don't know if you can see through, they have these kind of a harder part through the jelly part of it, so it's really shock absorbent and makes it a lot easier to go over rocks, go over bumps in the sidewalk, just skate around instead of just skating on a track or at like a tennis court or something like that. It makes it super comfy. Another big thing that I really appreciate on these is the rolled cuff. So the rolled cuff on these makes it a lot more comfortable on your ankle when you're skating around, especially if you're doing a long skate. It just kind of prevents chafing, and like when the cuff isn't rolled, like for example if it was this part, it really digs into your ankle, so this makes it so comfy. What else? The truck is really nice. It is a metal truck. You can see it has really good movement to it, so you have a lot of control when you're skating to actually be able to turn and stuff. The only things that I would say need improvement is the toe stop is a little hard for me. I've already worn through it pretty good. And then also I wish that it did have a squishy, like plushy tongue, because I noticed that the tongue rolls up no matter how hard I tried to get it not to, and that can become uncomfortable on the top of your foot. But besides that, I do really like them. They're lasting pretty well. I'm gonna get a toe cover, whatever they're called. I'm gonna get a toe cover for these. I'm gonna get new toe stops. These are the bolt-in toe stops, so you actually can just unscrew them and switch them out. But yeah, I'd say for the price, this is an amazing deal and an amazing pair of skates. I think that they will definitely last you a long time. The only thing you'll need to change out probably is just wheels every once in a while, and the toe stop, and then the bearings. But as you can see, after a month, they're still rolling, doing their thing. I don't have much wear on these because, as I said, I didn't have that much time to skate them this past month, but hopefully I'll have more time. I would love some skate buddies. If any of you guys watching skate. That's my review. I'm trying to think of what else to tell you. There's Nora. So yeah, the wheels are great, the trucks are great, the bearings are great, the laces are nice. The only thing is that the toe stop and the tongue could be improved upon, I think, but it's super easy to fix that, to replace your toe stops with ones that you like better, or to just wear an extra pair of socks when you want to skate to kind of help combat the folding up of this. And I actually got these in a size women's 6, and I'm around a size 7, sometimes a little bit smaller. So usually you size down a size in skates, and these fit me really well. I still have extra toe room. I usually like my shoes a bit bigger than my shoe size, so I think that these worked perfectly, so I'd say just size down one size. So yeah, that's my review. That's it.